In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PDF from multiple images using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Let's dive right into the process to make your collection of images into a polished and convenient PDF document. First things first, start by opening Adobe Acrobat Pro DC on your computer. If you don't have it yet, make sure it's properly installed and updated to ensure you have access to all the latest features and tools. Once you've launched the application, you'll want to navigate to the main dashboard. You'll notice on this dashboard a variety of tools listed to the side. Your goal here is to see all available tools, so go ahead and click on See All Tools. This is where Adobe Acrobat Pro DC really makes things intuitive and easy. With a comprehensive suite of options at your fingertips, our focus today is on combining files, which suits our task perfectly. Click on the Combine Files tool. You can think of this tool as your best friend when it comes to merging multiple files into one cohesive document. This feature is particularly handy when dealing with images you wish to transform into a single PDF. Now direct your attention to the Add Files button and give it a click. This opens a window that allows you to locate and select your images files. You can add them all at once or choose them individually, whichever method suits your needs and feels most comfortable. Here's a pro tip: ensure the images you choose are saved in a format Adobe recognizes easily, such as JPEG or PNG for seamless integration. Once you select all the images you want to include, click Open. Now they will all appear as thumbnails in a window. This is your opportunity to preview everything in one place. Take a moment to ensure the images are in the order you want them to appear in the final PDF. You can easily reorder them by simply clicking and dragging the thumbnails. This flexibility offers you creative control over how your final document will be visualized, making sure your narrative through images is exactly how you envisage it. Once you're happy with the arrangement, it's time to bring it all together. Look for the Combine button and click it. Adobe Acrobat will take a few moments to process the images, and then voila, your PDF is ready. You've just transformed your collection of images into a neatly packaged PDF document. This process is not only straightforward but also incredibly powerful for creating comprehensive documents from multiple images. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to try it a few times to become more comfortable with the steps. And there you have it, a complete guide on creating a PDF from multiple images using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Thanks for watching, and happy PDF creating.